Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open TERABOX video link without app. So first thing you need to do is open any web browser. I'm going to open my Chrome. Then search TERABOX link. Open this first website. On here you can paste your TERABOX video link and then click on this download button. Your video will start downloading and you can watch it without any video. So let me show you how to copy link of any video. For example, I'm going to open google.com. Once you do it, simply click on three dots menu and click on desktop side. After this, simply click on URL and click copy button. After this, simply paste your TERABOX video link here and click on this download button. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.